Hello, everyone, and welcome to the classroom. Today's letter of the day is the letter M. Do you have a letter M in your name? If your name has letter M, stand up. If your name has letter M, stand up. If your name has letter M, if your name has letter M, if your name has letter M, stand up. Well, today M is for mouse, and if you look right there on our letter M card, there's a little mouse. To decorate the letter M, you can make it look like a mouse. Just put 2 ears at the top, 2 eyes and a nose, and draw some whiskers. What letter is this? It's letter M. And now that we can recognize it, we'll practice writing it. To write letter M, you're going to make a line that goes straight down. And then you're going to make the letter V in the middle. And then you're going to make another line that goes straight down. So down and then slide down and up like letter V and then straight back down. And that's how you make uppercase M. So let's practice that. So first you make a line that goes straight down and then make a letter V in the middle and then make another line straight down. And that's it. That's how you make uppercase M. Down, slide down, back up, and straight down. Well, that is uppercase letter M. And now for lowercase m, it looks like this. We're just going to make a little line, and then we're just going to hop over 2 times. Boing, boing. Let's practice that lowercase m. It goes downstairs if you're using handwriting paper. Down and then over, 2 times. Down and over. Down and then over 1 time, over 2 times. Now you can keep practicing your lowercase and uppercase m's. And here's a sticker for your handwriting paper. Well, now we know what letter M looks like and we know how to write it. So next we'll talk about the sound that it makes. Letter M makes this sound. Put your lips together. It sounds like me when I'm eating something yummy. Well, we're going to put that letter sound together with the vowels, do some blending and reading. Can you help me sing the vowel song? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Well, let's put letter M with letter A. Let's blend those sounds and make them go together. M says A says ah, ah, ma, mat, 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 like a welcome mat. You put that at your door. The next one has a special reading sound. If you see 2 letters that are the same side by side, you only make that letter sound 1 time. So here, SS is going to just say S. You won't say S, S. Only make that sound once. Let's go back to the beginning. Mess, mess, mess. Draw a line to the big mess. The next word has our reading rule that we just learned again. We're going to make that letter S sound only once. Miss, miss, miss. Uh-oh, the arrows missed the target. All right, next we have M and O. Ah, mop, mop, mop. All right, last one, M and U. Mud, Mud. Mud. Well, you did a great job today with our letter learning time. And now it's time for math. For math today, we're going to be doing 3D shapes. Take a look at this chocolate brownie. Yummy. What shape is it? If you said rectangle, then you would be right. I do see a rectangle. But look, I see rectangles on all sides. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. This is not a flat shape. A rectangle is flat, like a piece of paper. This is a 3D shape. It's not flat, it's fat. I can hold it. So you see how thick it is? So this is actually called a rectangular prism. For our math time today, we're going to practice other 3D shapes as well. And I'll teach you the names of some of them. All right, so first we have right here a sphere. It does look like a circle, but it's not flat like a piece of paper. It's fat. I can hold it like a ball. That's a sphere. Can you say sphere? Next we have a cube. Can you say cube? A cube has squares on all sides. You might know this shape. It's a cone, like an ice cream cone or a party hat. Cone. This is the shape like that brownie we looked at. It has rectangles on all sides. It's a rectangular prism. Give that a try. Rectangular prism. I see a triangle, but this is not a flat shape. It's a 3D shape. It's a triangular prism. Triangular prism. And this is a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Well, let's practice. Take a look at this drum. What shape is it? It's a cylinder. Now find the matching shape. You can point to it or you can just call out the color. It's this one. It's the orange one. Good job. What shape is this? It's a cone. The matching shape is here, yellow. What shape is it? It has rectangles on all sides. It's a rectangular prism. What color is the matching shape? Green. Very good. What shape is it? I see a triangle, but it's not a flat shape. It's a triangular prism. And here is the matching shape, blue. What shape is it? It's a sphere. It is like a circle, but remember, it's not flat, it's fat. I can hold it like a ball. And the matching shape is red. Good job. What shape is it? It has squares on all sides. It's a cube. And what color is the matching shape? Purple. The cube is purple. What shape is this? Cylinder. And orange is the matching shape. Cylinder. What shape is this? I see rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. It's a rectangular prism. And green is the matching shape. What shape is this? Last one. It's a cone. And the matching shape is yellow. Well, that was our math time, and now it's time for science. For science today, we're going to be learning about mice. How many can you see in this picture? One mouse. And now how many can you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than one mice. We changed the word. One mouse, more than one mice. What are these mice doing? They're eating. Mice eat 15 to 20 times a day. Mice have a pointed snout or nose, small rounded ears, and a long tail. Mice also have little hairs that come out from the sides of their face. These are called whiskers. Mice use their whiskers to sense changes in temperature and to help feel the surface they're walking along. There are more than 30 known species of mice. Wow, that's a lot of different kinds of mice. They look like they're different colors, some of them are long, some of them are short, some have dark eyes, some have red eyes. 30 known species of mice. Mice are nocturnal. That means they stay awake at night and they sleep during the day. They have poor eyesight, but they make up for this with their very good hearing and smell. Mice build very complex burrows with long entrances and many escape routes. They are very clean and tidy rodents, with their burrows often having separate areas for storing food, sleeping, and going to the toilet. In 1928, a long time ago, a man named Walt Disney created the first mouse cartoon character, Mickey Mouse. Since then, mouse characters have remained popular. Maybe you notice and recognize some of these movies that have mice in them, and also mice are in lots of books. Well, it is time for us to make our own little mouse for art. So let's head to the art table. For art today, we're going to make a little mouse, and we're using a cylinder. That's a 3D shape. If you don't have a toilet paper tube ready, you could just take a piece of paper and make your own cylinder. Just roll it up and tape it or glue it. The first thing we're going to do is flatten this top part of the cylinder, of the toilet paper tube, and we're going to draw eyes and a nose. I'm using pink for the nose, and then whiskers. You see right here where we bent this and made it flat, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut a little slit here and a little slit here. We're going to unflatten it and slip those two ears in like that. So there you have it. There's our art project. We made a cute little mouse. Here's another look at the little mouse we made today for art. Now it's time for us to read about a little mouse. The name of this book is If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. If You Give a Mouse a Brownie by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a mouse a brownie, he's going to ask for some ice cream to go with it. When you give him the ice cream, he'll ask you for a spoon. He'll start drumming on the table. Drumming will get him excited. He'll want to start a band. You'll have to play guitar. He'll want to put on a show. When the stage is finished, he'll want to make lots of tickets. You'll have to find paper and markers. When the tickets are done, he'll decide to make posters as well. He'll hang them all over the neighborhood. When he's out hanging them, it might start to rain. He'll fold some posters and make a little boat. Then he'll sail it in a puddle. He'll get so wet, he'll start to sneeze. Achoo! You'll put him in your pocket to stay nice and warm. When he peeks out of your pocket, he'll smell something delicious. The smell will remind him that he's hungry. You'll have to take him to the store and get a few things to nibble on. Of course, he'll want to have a picnic. When the sun comes out, you'll have to take him to the park. While you're setting up the picnic, he'll see a playground. He'll jump on the swings. He'll go as high as he can. When he looks up at the sky, he might notice a big white cloud. The cloud will remind him of ice cream. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some ice cream, he'll want a brownie to go with it. The end. Well, I hope you've had some fun today with letter M is for mouse. Tomorrow, N is for noodles. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you then. Have a great rest of your day.